Hello, welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Gusty winds are going to affect the country over the next 24 to 48 hours. Some very blustery conditions indeed. There are Met Office yellow weather warnings in force. More on those in just a moment. And those gusty winds will also be bringing plenty of showers. Some around on Thursday and certainly more around during Friday. Some good spells of sunshine around through the rest of Thursday. Wet weather clearing away from Shetland. Sunshine then developing, but also showers coming and going. There'll be hit and miss affairs, but some heavy ones are possible. With a strengthening wind, though, those showers will tend to move through. Temperature-wise, well, we're getting into the high teens, low 20s with some sunshine on the Moray Firth. We could get up to 23, maybe 24 Celsius, but feeling cooler with the breeze picking up, and that breeze getting particularly strong around western fringes through the evening and overnight. The Met Office yellow warning covering the west coast into the early hours, gusts of 50 miles an hour, maybe 60 miles an hour in exposed areas. That could have some impacts on transport. Certainly some ferry services could be affected, maybe some bridges as well, and not great for high-sided vehicles either. Then the winds start to strengthen across parts of the south throughout the night into the early hours, and especially during Friday. So the warning shifts across into southern areas for most of Friday, actually, where gusts inland here of 40 to maybe 50 miles an hour over hills, and again around coast, gusts of 60 miles an hour are possible. So again, the potential for some disruption, and we're also concerned about large waves. Tides are particularly high, so there could be some coastal flooding issues as well. Those winds whipping up some very large waves, as well as those issues potentially with travel disruption too. So that's the wind warnings. So let's take a look at the weather in more detail through the course of Thursday night. I said a few showers around, easing off for a time, but then some really quite heavy ones coming in across parts of the south through the night. Squally showers as well. That's where the winds just suddenly whip up and you get a sudden downpour, and hail and thunder is also possible in those showers through the night, but it will be a pretty warm night as well. Temperatures holding up in the teens in most urban areas. Into Friday, and well, basically some very heavy downpours around, still some hail and thunder mixed in as this band of squally showers tracks its way northwards. It does move through quite quickly because of the strength of the wind, and there'll be some showers following on behind, but also some brighter and drier spells. We should see some sunshine poking through at times during the afternoon. The strongest winds across the south, but it is going to be a fairly blustery day wherever you are across the country, and again, that will have an impact on the feel of the day. Despite temperatures being up into the high teens, maybe low 20s, where we see some sunshine, it will feel cooler than that because of those gusty conditions. Now, the gusty winds and the showers continue into Friday evening, overnight, and indeed into the weekend. The weekend, broadly speaking, a mixture of sunshine and blustery showers. The winds perhaps not as strong on Saturday, but still noticeable and still bringing in plenty of heavy showers with some sunny spells in between. Those winds continuing to ease a little bit more by Sunday, when again we'll see a mixture of sunshine and showers. Plenty going on. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest from the Met Office. The warnings are available on our app, on our website, and of course the very latest if you follow us on social media.